still get shotgun. Stop. Now we did that when I was 16 years old. You know how long that? Long time. And Arif was always like, yo, the boy, your body, man, I'm different. Play the next one. Woo. Hype! Yo. Choo-choo. 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 Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a innocent. It's a damn thing change, yo. Who's next on the DJ train? Come in, copper, and drive them insane. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I thought it was the FBI. When we tell them, you scared the flipping lot of them, you know, skin. Well, if you think that you're bad for, yeah, yeah, pass with it. Shotgun. You want me to do the whole song, no? Me do a hush. Can't do the whole song. Shotgun it. And now we'll get a piece of this. We'll get a piece of this. A piece of this. He goes up, boom, box belly, break it down, he goes up. Let's shotgun it. All pull it. All pull it up. All pull it and stop it a little bit. You see this song here? This song here was done 10 years ago. And it just, all of a sudden, just come back and rise to the top. Me don't know what I want, but Arif love the different thing them. You hear say coming at this? A Brookings this, you know? Play it again there. Yo. Me go so boom, box belly, break it down.